Today I will show you how to use pixel brushes. First, import the pixel canvas and make square size of the canvas is 128. I like to use pixel ball brush for drawing. For making circle shape, use your left finger to press on the skin to help. Okay, next, draw a head and a body and put color on them. And next is draw upper body, then the bottom body. And then draw arms. And then draw eyes. Don't forget to set the name for each layer. Okay, and then draw ears and then mouth and hair. And next, put the color for her shirt. And next, draw her legs and her shoes with green. And then use pixel pattern brush for shading on the body. And then put the background. After that, draw an ice cream. And then draw a hand that holding the ice cream. The girl is waiting for ice cream and she is going to get it. And next, putting more details for the background. And then it's done.